for me, it's often with running into people who like crypto. You know, you just for years it was like you met no one, and then suddenly it was like in 1 week it was just suddenly like, oh, somebody else at the bus stop was talking about crypto, or I saw an ad, you know, and then suddenly it all started to come into view.
Yeah, and I know Ryan has he has his own business too, and I see he's actually put like the "We accept Bitcoin Cash" stickers on his trucks, like on the side of the doors and stuff. So that's really cool. It gets the crowd thinking like, well, what's that? What's Bitcoin Cash?
Well, if I could, give some advice, I ask people if they'll take it for payment. So like I have one contractor that installs like equipment for me, and I talked him into taking Bitcoin Cash for payment. And I remember I gave him, it was like maybe a $600 invoice, and I think Bitcoin Cash was like $600 at that time. He got it, and then the price went way up to 800 in like 2 weeks. He's like, man, this is like amazing. Pay me all the time in this, right? And then it went down to like 450, and he's texting me. He's like, I don't know about this. Like people don't like, they don't think like too critically into it. So what's going to happen is as the fundamentals continue to grow, and then their price goes up, then they'll come begging to give you Bitcoin Cash, and they won't see the forest over the trees and all the other fundamental reasons that makes cryptocurrency superior to the dollar system, or as Jeremy's in the UK, or whatever fiat system that people are using. So unfortunately, people aren't always forward thinking like that, and the price will tell them what's correct, but the actual fundamentals will be ignored.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I think to me, the critical thing, for crypto is just time. Time is the ultimate resource that crypto has, because as long as it keeps ticking over, it gets into someone's head. And like you're saying, they go, okay, he sees it go up and he's excited. He sees it go down and now he's, depressed. But then it goes back up a bit and then it goes back down a bit. And over time, it just sort of modulates to, he understands, okay, it's always like this, and just adapting to a free floating kind of currency system. And then the reinforcing, as maybe somebody else mentions crypto to him and he can say, oh yeah, I took payment in crypto. And then they also think, wait a second, this is now happening over here in the economy as well too. And as those links kind of form together, at a certain point, it's just going to be like start all snapping into place, and it'll happen really fast, I think.